unboxing of the tablet. It has voice calling, 5-point touch. It has a dual SIM, right, and high definition display with battery of standby mode which can run on entire day. So let's unbox and see the content of the tablet, right? Okay, so yeah, it has tablet, which will come back and see later, right? And let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so it has a charger. Okay, with micro USB charger, and okay, it has a USB OTG cable for connecting pen drive, which means you can connect your 16 GB 32 GB pen drives through this. And okay, it also has another micro USB cable, and yeah, so that's the cable, micro USB to USB, which means this is, you can connect it to your laptop for file transfer and all fast. And it has manual, right? Okay, this is interesting addition. This is cover on the top, right, to protect the tablet display, tempered glass kind of thing, right, so that the tablet is safe. Okay, now we will take out the tablet, and okay, this seems nice, shiny interface. Okay, and right, with the camera, and the camera has a flash. And let's open this and see what all the things can be put inside it. Okay, so when we opened it, right, there is a micro SD card slot, there is a SIM slot, dual SIM slot, one SIM slot here, one SIM slot here. So there is a micro SD card slot, SIM slot, and then there is another SIM slot here, right? Shiny interface, shiny back panel, and yeah, it has a front camera too, right? We'll make another video for the software interface part of it, right? So here are all the things which you get it with the tablet.